Hello everyone and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're delving into the often debilitating world of sciatic pain. If you've ever felt that sharp shooting sensation down your leg, you understand how challenging it can be. But fear not, because we're exploring natural remedies that can provide relief and help you on the path to recovery. To understand sciatic pain, we need to look at its root cause: compression or irritation of the sciatic nerve. This nerve originates in the lower back, travels through the hips and buttocks, and branches out into the legs. Our first natural remedy involves gentle stretching exercises. These movements can alleviate pressure on the sciatic nerve, improve flexibility in the lower back and legs, and reduce the severity of pain episodes. Next, let's talk about heat therapy. Applying a warm compress or enjoying a hot bath can provide soothing relief to the muscles surrounding the sciatic nerve. This heat helps relax tense muscles, easing tension and discomfort. Herbal supplements are another avenue for relief. Turmeric, ginger, devil's claw, and boswellia are among the herbs known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These supplements can help reduce inflammation along the sciatic nerve, providing long-term relief from pain. Improving posture and ergonomics is crucial in managing sciatic pain. Maintaining a neutral spine alignment, using ergonomic chairs or pillows, and avoiding prolonged sitting or standing can significantly reduce strain on the lower back and alleviate sciatic discomfort. Don't overlook the power of relaxation techniques. Stress and tension can worsen sciatic pain, so incorporating activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can promote relaxation, reduce muscle tension, and alleviate pain. Remember, while these natural remedies are effective, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive treatment plan tailored to your specific needs. They can provide guidance, monitor your progress, and recommend additional therapies if necessary. By incorporating these natural solutions into your daily routine, you can take significant steps towards saying goodbye to sciatic pain and reclaiming your comfort and mobility. Wishing you a pain-free journey ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips.